Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yes, so I'm taking you along as I go shop for my essentials, juicy essentials. Yeah, I've missed that because of Roscolo. So it's time to go get some. Let's go. Welcome back to Extra Steps here YouTube channel. As you know, on this channel I discuss anything business, great ways to make extra income, and I also share my business journey with you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know why. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and always come back to watch my videos. So we're going downtown Kitchener. Sometimes I take you around my city as well. This is downtown Kitchener, where I'll be buying some of my essential needs today. So let's go into the stores. There's always something new whenever I come into the dollar store. I always see something new. Like, it's always a discovery for me because I take my time to go around. Sometimes that's why I say all you need is just the good stuff that lasts long, okay? Example is this tote bag. It's something that you could go shopping with. Can you see? It's so beautiful, and it's in 3 colors because I think I saw the pink as well. Can you see the 3? So beautiful. It's in a dollar store. Whenever I come into this dollar store, there's always something new. Can you see a liquid soap holder? This is so beautiful. Just put your liquid soap in, and this soap as well. And this is my paste that I use for my jollof rice. It's like Derrica. I love it. I also get most of my baking wares from dollar store. This is where I get my baking ware. Yeah, something I use on trayware. So why waste money? I get my burner cover, my liner, I get it from the dollar store, and good value for money if you ask me. So can you remember my previous video where I talked about being eco-friendly? So in this store you could do trading of your books and get books for very cheap prices. Yes, and you can always read and return, add some more dollars and get something new. Wow, can you see? I don't know if you read any of John Grisham. I used to read a lot of John Grisham while I was growing up. Wow. Let's just go around this store. Let's just go around and see what they have. It's such a big place. Please, in the comment section, I want to know if you read any of these Archie's series. I love this series. While I was growing up, I read a lot of this. So this is downtown Kitchener. Going further down, can you see the city is just still recovering from the lockdown? So everybody, normally this place used to be very busy, but because of the lockdown, business is beginning to open up gradually. Now let's go into another store. I won't be showing so much of these stores because I think most stores don't want you to take some videos. Yeah, this is my secret, my toner. Yes, my glow tonic. Pixie glow tonic does a lot of wonders to my face, and I saw this as well. Can you remember the range of Attitude? And this is my conditioner. This range is what I use for my natural hair. I love the way it softens my hair. So question of the day, as a business owner, would you divulge information about where you get your products, how you stock your inventory? Maybe family and friends walk up to you and say, I want to start this business. Where can I get this product in wholesale? Let me know in the comment section if your answer is yes or no, and put a reason. And in my next video, I'll be talking more about that. I'll be sharing more why business owners don't share such information with people, or why they think it's a top secret. They don't have to divulge this information. Okay, thank you for watching my video today, and if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share my videos. On this channel, I talk about business ideas, ways and how you can improve and grow your business. I share passive income ideas, and I also take you around my town. And being a new business owner myself, I take you through my business journey. I'm sure you would enjoy this channel. The more the merrier, you know. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your feedback. This is all appreciated. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.